Nearly every building and car in the town of Yuma still shows scars from last week's massive hailstorm. Mark Salinger takes us there.
The whole it's no one's left out of this. Everyone got affected by it.
In a town of 3,500, there are certain days that everyone will remember.
It just plummeted the city of Yuma.
You talk to everybody in town and a lot of them say they've never seen anything like this.
Every single house has been damaged completely.
The storm rolled through 9 days ago. It left behind a town still working to clean up.
We're going to be cleaning up for a long time.
Luke's phone has been ringing constantly with people filing insurance claims.
Definitely expensive.
Boarded windows, broken glass.
Angela is with the city. They're trying to get help from the state to rebuild.
They're still assessing the damage.
It's been a crazy week.
Adam has patched up hundreds of windows and roofs.
I've been working until have to go to sleep. I've been trying to get at least 1 to 2 hours a night.
The hailstorm lasted for nearly an hour.
Let me find a good one here.
In a part of Colorado used to extreme weather,
You can see all the hail, broken glass.
this storm shredded every car, building, and fence in its path.
That's the inside of my house, yep. You know, at my house, I probably had 2 feet of hail piled up alongside my garage after the hailstorm.
You see that? It's all beat. These are all from hail.
Every house looks like this on nearly every block in town.
Beat up the entire house all the way back down into the bones of the house.
It's a reality that will take time to fix.
All I've been trying to do is give people peace of mind more than anything. Like, we're gonna fix this, no one's hurt, everything can be fixed, you know? And that's a lot of stress going on in this town about the future.
A future that also includes more storms tonight.
We're hoping and praying that we escape tonight. We don't need another one.
The church here in Yuma was built in 1927. All of the stained glass windows behind me are all blown out. As far as damages and how much this is all costing, we still don't know that yet. They're trying to add it all up to try and figure out how many millions of dollars this hailstorm cost. For Next in Yuma, I'm Mark Salinger.
That storm also damaged a lot of farmland outside Yuma, likely millions of dollars more in lost crops. Hopefully that covered by crop hail insurance.